Making money online is super easy and does not have to be complicated. All you have to do is just get 1 or 2 ways of making money online that resonates with you and your personality and run with it, because we all have our area of strengths and weaknesses, right? And I know on this channel I have shared quite a number of ways to make money online, from academic research studies to consumer research studies to cashbacks and a whole lot more. But today we're going to be doing something a little bit differently. We're going to start exploring the world of AI, because the opportunities of making money in the world of AI is limitless. And today we're going to be starting with Canva, how you can monetize Canva. Just before I take you onto my system to show you what I've got to you today on Canva, if you're new on this channel, you're welcome. My name is Fola, and on this channel we talk about different ways to make money, be it online and offline. So if this kind of content interests you, please do well to click the like button, comment on this video, and also subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell as well, so that when next I post another amazing video, another money making opportunity, you'll be one of the first people to know. Without further ado, let me take you to my laptop now and let's get started with Canva AI. YouTube automation or faceless YouTube is one of the ways that people are cashing out big time in 2025. And one of the niches that is really cashing out today is quizzes, be it quizzes for children, quizzes for adults, or quizzes for anybody, general knowledge quizzes at all. And I'm going to show you how you can create that today and start your faceless YouTube channel using just Canva. But before we get started, let me show you 2 channels that are doing amazingly well in this niche. And I'm going to be using this platform or website called Social Blade. And the first channel we're going to be looking at is called Quiz Blitz. So let's have a look at this channel, Quiz Blitz. This channel was created on the 21st of February 2023, and they currently have a subscriber count of 1.07 million. They have 725 videos all around quizzes, and as you can see from here, the channel currently makes a monthly estimated earnings of $3,800 to $60,000, while they make a yearly estimated earnings of $31,000 to $495,000 in a year. That is massive. Let's take a look at another channel called Quiz Dino. This channel is also in the quiz niche channel, and the channel was created on the 2nd of January 2024, which is just over a year ago, and they have a subscriber count of 477,000. They have a total video of 354, as you can see here. And from what we can see on this platform, this is showing us that this channel is currently making a monthly estimated earnings of $2,700 to $44,000 and an estimated yearly earnings of between $19,000 to $308,000. To me, these figures are massive. So today I'm going to show you how you can start your own quiz niche channel, YouTube automation, or faceless channel, and we're going to be using Canva, which is a design tool. Most of you know Canva already, right? Now, to get started, you need to choose a topic on which you're going to create your quizzes about, and then you need to have your questions and answers ready for the quiz. But do not worry too much about that, because we have our friend here, ChatGPT, that is going to help us come up with the questions and the answers. We have AI as our assistant, so we can make use of it. So this is ChatGPT here. I'm going to ask it to create questions for children quizzes for us. So let me prompt it. I want to make quizzes for children around about animals. Kindly create 50. I want to make quizzes for children about animals. I want them to guess the animal name from a given description. Kindly create 50 quiz questions for me, and also give me the animal name. Your response should be in form of a table with column 1 having the animal name and column 2 the animal name. So I made a mistake in that. Column 1 should have the animal description and column 2 the animal name. So let's get started with this and see what ChatGPT will give to us. Okay, so we have 50 fun and simple animal quiz questions. So you can see the question say, I have black and white stripes and look like a horse. What am I? That's a zebra. Okay. But so we have our questions ready and our answers. Now let's go to Canva. Once you come onto Canva, from your homepage, you have a landing page as like this. From the top here, just search for quiz templates. When you search for quiz template, you have some results, and then you just take a look at the different templates that we got here. Some are in the horizontal format and some are in the vertical format. So the vertical ones, the long form, are for long form videos, something like this purple one. These are for long form videos like YouTube. And then the other ones, the long ones like this, are for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Short. So once you see a template that you like, you can just go ahead and click on the template. Okay, so I have this template here that I've picked up. I like it so much. It looks just like what we are about to create, right? Now, another thing you need to do is to get your template ready for the creation. So you decide how long you want each question to last for on the screen. At the moment, this template is for 10 seconds. If you hover over it, you will see the duration, or you click on the template here and at the top here, you will see the duration 10 seconds above. Okay, we need to put a placeholder for our questions and a placeholder for our answers, which we already have in this case. But in case you don't have it, all you have to do is just get a text box from the left here for your placeholders. But I have one here, so I'll be making do with this, right? And here, all I'll do is just say question, so that I'll know that my questions are coming here. And then here I have answer. Okay, simply like this. So my question will pop up here. And then after a few seconds, my answer will pop up here. I think I'll move this down a little bit, just in case the questions are longer, to have more room or space for it. Okay, this is fine. Next thing we need to do now is to bring in the questions and the answers. But before we do that, just one more thing before we do that. The answer here, we don't want the question and the answer to appear at the same time. So we need to edit the timing for when our answer will come up to the screen. If you look here, you'll see that we already have a purple icon showing here. So that's showing the timing for the answer already. But if you don't see it here, another thing you can do is click on the text box for your answer and then click on these 3 lines. You will see where it says timing, element timing. It's showing hide now because we can already see it. But just in case you don't see it and you have something like this, click on it and then click on show element timing. Okay, so our timing now is for the whole 10 seconds, but we don't want it for the whole 10 seconds. Let's say we want it at the last 3 seconds, right? So the question will show for 7 seconds and then the answer will show in the last 3 seconds, right? Okay, so that is done. Another thing I want us to add is sound or a countdown timer. So let's come to element here and we can search for timer, or you say timer counts down, whatever you want to search for. So this is a 30 seconds one. Let's see if we can get, and then you have audios as well, but let's see if we can, from the videos, if we can get one that is like 10 seconds. So this is okay, good. This is a 10-second one. Okay, and this is 5 seconds. The question will show for 7 minutes. Let me see if we can have one for 7 minutes. But if we don't have it, we can still make do with this one and just reduce it and place it at a corner and place it maybe somewhere here. I don't know if I really like this, but let's see what it looks like along the line. Okay, so I'll place it somewhere here. Then for that, I want it to show when just before the answer. I would want it to stop just before the answer at 7 seconds. Let me edit that. So stop at 7 seconds and then it can start at maybe the first 3 seconds. Let's add the sound to it, and then so the same countdown is the search, then we'll go under audio. I like this kitchen timer too. So once you add your timer and the countdown and your template is ready, the next thing you want to do is to go back to ChatGPT, copy highlight and copy all of the questions that ChatGPT has generated for us, and then come back to Canva. From the icons you can see at the left here, you'll see design elements. Scroll down and go to apps. Look for apps here and look for the one that says bulk create. Once you see bulk create, select the first option, which I have. Click on enter data manually. If you have your data in an Excel, click on upload data, but I have copied directly from ChatGPT, so I'll click on enter data, and then you have two options here. Select the first column and then Ctrl V to paste your data there. Once you have your two column data, click on done. Okay, and then what we want to do now is to link each question and answer with our data. So I'll select the question text, and then click on the three dots here. You will see connect data. Click on connect data and select animal description so as to connect that text box with our question, and then click on the second text box for the answer. Click on the three dot line and select connect data as well. Okay, connect data, and I'm connecting this to the animal name. Okay, so our template is ready now and we are ready to generate all of the 50 questions. So once you connect the text boxes to your data, click on continue. Go ahead and click on continue. We have our data here. Now you can see generate 49 designs. I think he gave us it counted the column headings as part of it, is why we have 49 instead of 50, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and click on generate 49 designs, and it will generate all of our 49 questions for us now. So there we have it. We can see that all of our 49 questions and answers have been generated. Let's play now to see what we have. Isn't this beautiful? And then it's gone on to the second question. I am the king of the jungle with a loud roar. What am I? A lion. And then the next one. I jump and hop with long legs and carry my baby in a pouch. What am I? It's a kangaroo. Isn't this beautiful and amazing? So once you have all of this ready, the next thing you have to do now is to download it as a video. Click on share and then click on download. From the file types, choose MP4, which is a high quality video, and download all of your questions. Once you download this, the next thing is for you to upload on YouTube, and there you go. You have your faceless quiz niche channel ready for you, and you can create different types of quizzes like this in this niche, whether for children, for adults, or you can do a mix if you want. But if you're going to be focusing on children, I would advise you just focus on children quizzes alone. If you're going to be focusing on adults or general knowledge, I would advise you focus on that alone. If you found this interesting, please leave me a comment and let me know what next or what type of content you want me to create for you next. I love this so much. Very simple and straightforward. If you found this interesting and useful, please drop me a comment and let me know what you think. Do well to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next one.